Oh, finally, we're playing Sons of the Forest.
How about you kill yourself? I just have this guy. I had this guy pre-made already.
Yeah, but he looks cool too. He's perfect.
I just used my favorite little twink artist.
I want to hit him over the head with a cinder block. Warning shot.
Are you throwing rocks?
What's it called again?
Oh.
W
Oh.
Energy.
That was not
W
a rock,
energy.
Slithers. That was a bomb. Fireball! Fireball! Kate,
You have
get your
more
ass up to the-
elves, more
Virginia!
dark wizards. I'm still loading. Hold on.
Yeah.
We're still loading
Sorry,
in the game.
Virginia just caught herself on fire and almost died.
Oh, you need the torch? Did you also
Yeah, I
forget to
think
save after you
You mean
grabbed
the
it?
flashlight?
Sandy, please. We're in refined company.
No, we aren't.
You're right, we're with Braxton.
Oh, okay. Alright, I knew it was coming, but it still hurts.
Sandy, do you want to drive us to the to the cave?
Of course, I'm drunk.
Sandy's just an innocent, oppressed drunk driver.
Drunk crashers give us
It's
a
the
bad
drunk.
name.
It's the. I was literally
it's
just
the-
about to say that. I hate everything.
Kate, you got us
Drunk
stuck on a
crasher.
rock.
I think you might have. I wasn't driving.
Sandy, no.
You're gonna meet Kid Named Fingers for the first time. Remember, we have the ability to block.
Where'd you
It
go?
becomes very useful. It becomes very
Ooh,
useful.
fish.
We just got two. Oh,
Oh,
hey,
it's this
look,
guy.
our spirit.
Fireball!
Ow!
Sorry.
That's the diamond.
Grenade.
No, Slithers.
Oh.
He was doing his dying animation.
I am running out of meds.
Oh shit, Sandy, run!
What? It's just
I'm gonna go.
women.
Hold on, I found a sea turtle. This is more important.
I am dying.
Hold on, give me 1 second. What happened to? Oh, they were only women.
It was just an observation.
That makes sense. I'll help you first, because they're
'Cause-
beating your ass.
Women be shopping. God.
They are aggressive, good lord. They're coming back. Sandy, they're coming back. Hit them with your car.
Vehicular manslaughter.
My god. their legs and arms came off. Jesus. Sandy, there's another. Hit him with your car. And you like fended off 4 cannibals on your own.
Oh, hi. Well, he
Hello,
just
tree.
exploded.
I could use some assistance.
Oh.
He killed me out of the passengers. Hey, I got
Into
a
a
Glock
rock.
in my Rari.
Hey, 17 shots, no 38.
I like when Chris Griffin runs in and goes, and
Pina. The horse is here.
Pina. Pina. I got a Glock.
Peter, I got a Glock in my Rari.
What did you do to my rock wall?
I did something to your rock. Oh,
So
I'm
there's
sorry. I
nothing
cut
because-
down a tree and it fell that way.
I'm out of ammo. Never mind. Hitting him with the golf cart will never get old. It's never not perfect.
Pina.